Hey, this is Doug. Have you heard the phrase expect the unexpected? That's good advice if you're looking to make a move. Right now, there's a lot happening in the housing market, and I want to kind of explain why. Things like the economic data, the latest unemployment numbers, decisions coming from the Fed, and even the presidential election are all creating uncertainty, and that leads to volatility. Now, this isn't something you need to be afraid of, it's just something you want to be aware of. And as your agent, I'll keep you informed about what's happening in our local area, how it affects you, and I'll make sure you don't lose sight of that bigger picture because we can make your move happen in any market. I'm committed to seeing that through. Call, email, text, or DM me. Thanks.